What's going on, everybody? We are back doing another fishing video. Got Michael Davis right here.
Yes, we're gonna wear them out, son. Catch the big ones.
Fishing a new lake for me. Michael fished this, what, last week or so?
Yeah, I ain't done good yet, but you're here.
So we're gonna go out here today and see if we can get on some pretty good fish. So stay tuned in and we'll catch you back on the boat. Alright guys, so we're finally in the boat. We're gonna hit a few spots over here. There's been a few things hitting top, so stay with us and let's go fishing. Water. You think they're bedded in here now?
I think the largemouth still hadn't moved up, and I think the spots are moved
Watch this, I'm pulling a crappie out right here, dadgummit. I'll take a brim.
They're both in the same place as the other day. She's catching all three at the same place.
Right there on that tree. Dang, man. I haven't caught nothing yet.
She had one on probably weigh about 2 pounds.
A crappie?
Bass. And with that bigger fish, she had it, and it just took off and it jumped 4 or 5 times.
Hey, there's one. Oh, it came off. You got one?
Yeah. Monster.
Monster. What you got?
Brim.
See if I can pull one out.
Okay, he inhaled it.
He wanted it.
Got a little bit. What's up, sir?
Dude, what the heck? Michael's catching all the fish over here.
Wearing him out.
I ain't caught nothing. Dang it. I'm about to though.
I think we can.
You think?
I believe we can.
Might as well. Let's try it. Oh, you're right. You're right. Oh, it's going pretty.
All right, no rods out.
You're all good.
Oh yeah, see, there ain't no bass boats doing this.
We the only ones.
been some virgin water. Well, not virgin, but it's probably been a while since it's fished because the water's been up.
Yep. I got a lot of these. I got a buzzbait one too. Oh, you got a crappie.
That was a bass.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, I just got hit. I just got hit. I don't know what it was. I saw him hit it. You got one? Dang, that's a good one. Yep. Where's he at? Oh, dude. What do you think about a 3? Maybe a 4?
Something like that.
Oh shit, I'm soaking your stuff.
I'm thinking 3 pound, 6 ounces.
That's a good fish.
Smoked that spinnerbait. It's pretty. It's just already trying to bed. Thank you, girl. Ain't no way. Damn word check your license. They're gonna check your damn hunting license. They're not gonna check your fishing license. So we've been seeing you in squirrel hunt.
Man, I love this boat. You got one?
MountainBass.
All right, guys, we're heading back out to the other side. I think we're about to hit right there. Nope. Never mind.
Perfect.
We're thirsty. Dang. Hey, I'm finally on the board for a bass. Not too bad. It's about a 10-pounder if I hold it right here. I mean, look at that. All right, Michael, we're almost even. I got about 15 pounds in the boat right now. Look at that. That freaking dog came out of nowhere. Oh. Oh, there's one. Oh. Ain't you just cute looking? All right, another bass. I'm about to catch up with Michael. Michael's catching all the big fish. I'm getting all the. You see him go? I'm catching all the little ones. tilted, so I didn't know. How big's the lake on the other side of that tunnel? About the same as the other one?
I think it's a little bigger, but I can't remember for sure.
I'm ready for it. Oh! Ah! What is that?
Bass.
Oh, shoot.
A bass, son.
Oh! Aha!
He does all right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, it's in my bag. Oh, I got a fish in my bag. Look at this. He ran right in my bag. He wants to go home. All right. Second fish, brim. Michael's catching all the bass. This right here is what I'm left with. Dang it. Hey, how many pounds do you think that is?
Oh, 7 or 8.
That's what I was thinking. Oh! Hang on. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. My GoPro died, but I caught a few fish after. Michael over here hogged all the fish, all the good ones. So
I put it on him.
yeah. So today was a decent day for me, I guess. But if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And follow Michael Davis on on Michael Davis Outdoor Adventures. I will put his link to his channel in the description. You can also follow me on social media. I got Facebook and Instagram. I'll put those down below. I'll put those as well in the description. And until next time, this bump, we're out of here.